Hello, in today's video I'll show you the best settings for DREAME D20 Plus on hardwood floors. Hardwood shouldn't be too wet. You shouldn't wet it with water too much because it can be damaged in that way. So we'll need to adjust our mopping settings, and this is the most important part. So let's go into the device in the app and then go to custom. Now you can select either of these modes, vacuum, mop, or vacuum and mop. Then you can also select the suction power and stuff like that. The most important here is going to be mop wetness. Mop wetness should be set below standard or below and not above. If you set it above, it will wet your floors too much and it may cause damage to your hardwood floor. So make sure to set it to maybe standard. Try it at standard and also see if the robot leaves too much water behind. If it does, try lowering the mop wetness setting. Now, one more thing is going to be customized, where you can set different settings for each room, and that is going to be very useful in case you have different kinds of floors in different rooms. For that, I had to create a map, so I did, and I also split the room into two so I can demonstrate that. Now when I click on custom, I can click on customize and then click on set. Now select the room that I'd like to customize. I'll do the room 2 first, and let's say that is my living room and that I have hardwood there. Then I'd like to do vacuum and mop and do the mop wetness at 12, for example. Then room 1 can be set to, let's say I have tiles there. I can set it to a more wet mop. So that's how you can do it. And also for hardwood floors, you can do a few more things. So if you are in this customize mode, it also lets you set the amount of cycles. And if the mop isn't too wet, you can increase the amount of cycles to, let's say, 2. So it'll go around the whole room twice to clean it better, since it doesn't have enough water. So that is the first thing that you can do. Now the next thing is that if you go to the map editing button and select floor type, now select the room that you'd like to edit the floor type on. You can click on floor material and select the type of floor. And I can set it to horizontal or vertical. My floor, if I set it to hardwood floor, then that's what I can do. And let's do vertical here. And here I'll just do tile floor. So yeah, that's basically, okay, that is so weird. Hold on. See, okay, for some reason, it doesn't. Okay, now it should work. Yeah. Okay, so you can see I have tiles here and hardwood floor here. And then if I click on 3 dots in the top right corner, I can go to floor cleaning settings and enable cleaning along the floor, which will make the robot's route go in that shape along the direction of the floor to minimize scraping against the floor seams. And now that is it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.